So tired of faking nice. Feels like every minute we're rolling dice. Can't bring myself to smile no more. All I want is to feel normal. All I wanna do is put up a fight. Can't take one more minute of this plight. Running around in my mind. No piece of sanity can I find. The only thing I want is normalcy. Begging and begging, but it eludes me. Trying my best not to drown each day. Illness is a game I don't want to play. 'Cause I ain't feeling normal. I'm